So there we go, nice and horny. So the next step is, oh, I shouldn't say that really, should I? Horny? No. Okie dokie, so to start this makeup up, oh God. Pardon me. Okay, this is very quickly becoming gay Lord of the Rings and I'm totally living for that. Okie dokie, smoky pokey Loki. Toki moki foki. Shloki. Shmocky. Oh, we're gonna put a ball cap on that. That's kind of the... That's the gist of this. Just before I start opening though... So there we go. Nice and bald. Oh crap. Oh no. Whoops. It's refreshing. Oh. It's gonna be lovely. Yeah. Oh, I could do with a nice short horror, but no, I couldn't. I could do with not doing any whole fucking short. Oh, so close. Oh, so close. I could do with doing any. No, I could do it. I've lost my train of thought. No. Okay, hang on. I could do it. No, it's gone. I was so close. I could do with doing any map that isn't. Do. Push pineapple. Fuck, Dave, no! Oh. Push pineapple, shake a tree, agga do. Oh my God, I've not heard that in years. Oh, what a memory, bloody hell. Oh my God, thank you for that, actually. And we've got these earrings as well, which are really sweet, which I kind of think I haven't... Oh, shit. They're all right, don't worry, they're fine. Okie dokie smoky, so to start this makeup... No, just too many okie dokies. Oh. Oh God. Oh, what the hell? Where did that come from? Oh. Hello. Okay. Next PO Box video. Just before we start, as always, I'll quickly flash my PO Box. I just sat down to start recording my Pride makeup tutorial and I literally grabbed this t-shirt at random and just noticed it says, visit the friendly neighbourhood of Queens. Oh, that's fortuitous. Oh, I love it. Seriously, didn't plan that, just grabbed it. That's funny. It's Spider-Man. Oh God, I'm gonna sneeze. No! Oh God, hurry up. Hurry up! Oh, hurry up! Oh, wait. No, I can't sneeze playing this loud. I can't. Oh God, I'm gonna die. Wait, no. Sneezing's gone. Whew. Okay, that will be the worst round to have a sneezing fit on. Oh bloody hell. Okay. So the next step is going to be to make our lives just a little bit more colourful. See that? So that was quite sweet, but like it's way too corny, right? Okay, let's do that again. Or do I not? I don't know now. Oh. Just in case you wanted to send me a letter or a postcard or a drawing or anything like that that you wanted to see in a future video. And with that said, let's open some mail. Oh, I did it in one take. And there we go. That's my look. Officially. I can never talk in I can never talk in fangs. There we go. Now if I only just talk really slowly in this video, everyone will understand me and I can enunciate. Fucking what?
So, fucking hell. So today's awesome map is...
I know at the end of this I need to take this makeup off, but I'm going to really struggle taking this one off because I feel the right amount of, you know, creepy and glamorous. And I really don't want to get rid of it. No, I don't. Can I just live my life like this now from like day to day? Sod it. This is my life now. This is what I look like. Deal with it. Oh, I don't want to get rid of it. So there we go. Nice and horny. So the next step is... Oh, I shouldn't say that really, should I? Horny? No. Okay. Ugh. So today's world is going to be lovely and fluffy and not spooky in the slightest. It's called Haunted Mansion. I fucked it up, didn't I? Asylum. I knew it! 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 I knew it!
Remember?
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew I'd fuck it up. Okay, it's fine. Okay.
Off to a great start.
Right? Asylum, asylum, asylum. Okay, here we go. So this is by complete accident, but one side of this makeup, so the yellow, went around my nostril and down with a little peak in the middle, and it looked like half a heart. So I thought I'll do exactly the same again on the opposite side with a makeup wipe. I just cleaned it up a little bit, so now there's a little tiny pride heart. It's so cute. Oh, hello! You're definitely an anomaly. Oh my god. An anomaly. Bloody hell. I live in an anemone. I can say that. I am just waiting for the comments to roll in though, asking me how I took my shirt off, because I absolutely did. This coat is all I'm wearing. I will leave that to your imaginations. Wait, no, not, wait, no, not what's under here, how I took my top off. Oh god. That's really embarrassing. I don't mean like I'm a good seasoned player, just that I'm a seasoned player as in I've been playing it since the day it came out. Yeah, I'm just digging my hole really deep. Oh, why does that sound bad? I'm digging my grave. Oh, just shut up, Charlie. I am absolutely terrible at doing straight lines. I'm actually terrible at doing anything straight. But